maybe a grocery sack to catch some of this?
Yeah, maybe that'd be a good idea.
Paper grocery sack?
Get the garbage can or something.
Something.
I'm afraid you hurt your head.
Not yet. I can't believe this.
We need to.
Huh?
We need to.
Oh my goodness. Somebody get a picture of him doing this to send to the other kids, will you please?
I'm taping a video.
Oh, nice. And I'll just go in front of it. Sarah.
I'm getting a video.
Atta girl. We want Aunt Marie and Uncle Steve and Aunt Kim and Uncle John and Dan to share in this, don't we?
Yeah.
This is it with me doing it and some trainer.
Well, you know, deep down secretly a person always wonders what you would look like without hair. Now I get to find out.
I'm a little bit bashful around this stuff because I don't know how. I know how it feels on my own head, but I don't know how it is for you. So
Feels just fine.
sometimes when I gotta push a little bit, it won't hurt.
No, it just feels buzzy. Oh my goodness. Oh, now I get to see what shape my head is.
Yep. That's something. That hurt.
Absolutely not. Feels good. That itches up there. It has for ever.
I can see why.
Is it all itchy looking?
Yep.
Yep. I have prescriptions for it. I have all kinds of things for it. And nothing seems to make any difference. Just itchy scalp.
Well, here's the good news.
What?
Now you can put lotion on your head.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. Do you have sound with that, Katie?
Yeah.
Good. How am I doing, guys? How's Paul doing? Good.
Good. So you should take a video.
Okay, I'm gonna go the other side for a little bit.
All right.
Oh man, that's terrible.
What's terrible?
Lopsided.
Oh my, we can't have that. This is what Nancy did too.
Did you?
Yeah, she said it started coming out and it was so bad that she just had Krista, I think it was, to shave it so you don't have this constant hair dropping.
Constant aggravation. Huh?
Yeah, for days. I mean, it must have dropped on your table and your food and stuff you're doing. And
This is awesome.
that lady at the wig place offered to shave my head yesterday, girls.
Well.
Yeah. But we said no, we couldn't do that without you guys here, so. She did offer. She's a hairdresser. That Pat Milker, Don? Do you get your weekend paper on Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Yeah, we do too. We usually do too.
Yeah, I know.
You are a brave man, Paul.
I'm gonna figure it out.
To do what you're doing, I think most guys would say, oh no.
Ray would be pulling this off if you were sleeping.
I can't feel it when you pull it out. It just comes out. It's just, there's no sensation there at all. Like what I did yesterday, that took me by surprise.
I'm about buckled my knees.
All I did was just take a little handful and it was like,
Well, now you
it
don't
doesn't
have.
feel, I mean, there's no pain or feeling when you do that. It's weird.
Now you don't have to worry about knots.
Worried about what?
Knots in your hair.
Well, this is true. You could do this too, Katie.
I don't know.
Okay, guess not. That got vetoed in a hurry, didn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Don? Is it the new me? Not good, huh?
Yeah, it's fine. It looks fine, but
Oh, I've sort of been going, oh, I don't want to do this. But it's good.
Liberating.
Yes, it feels good. I'm going to like it very, very much.
Now, if we just go find you a Harley to sit on, we can take some really good pictures.
Right. I need a red bandana, though.
I have one. I
Huh?
have one.
Oh,
She's-
yeah.
You should go get it.
All right.
I don't care them much.
Oh, it feels good.
Oh gosh.
How about just take a vacuum cleaner? Do you have a hand vac that can...
You ready?
Yeah. I love it. Come on, stand up. I think it needs to stand up. Don't you?
I thought so.
Get it wet. A little bit wet.
It needs to stand up, baby. I think it's too long yet, don't you?
Yeah, it's the shorter it gets, the more it'll stand up.
Yes.
You could get it to
But the more you touch it, the more it's going to
Oh,
fall.
there you
It's going
go.
to come flying out of there.
She's getting it. Don's getting it.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta take one from the side.
There you go.
I gotta